You're about to steal 12 viral marketing formulas free. I just built something that gives you 12 plug and play content strategies for the holidays, and I'm giving it away for free. Everyone's stressing about content and lead magnets and videos, but I built a system that solves that, and you need to see it. It's called the 12 Days of Holiday Marketing Magic, and I vibe coded it with Base44, specifically for coaches and solopreneurs who are tired of the content hamster wheel. This isn't just another AI tool. This is 12 different marketing strategies, each one to help you show up, stand out, and actually sell during the holidays without burnout. Here's the deal. You got one idea, right? Maybe it's a pain point your clients have, or a myth you want to bust, or a story you want to tell. Each day unlocks a new tool that helps you create blog posts, video scripts, carousels, social media captions, polls, and quizzes. All done for you. But here's the catch. You only get 12 days to use it. After that, it's gone. This is just a taste of what I can help you build inside my Amplify Your Business School community. Let me show you what each of the 12 days does. Let's get started. When you first click on the link, you're going to be prompted to sign in or sign up. So if it's your first time, you're going to go ahead and enter your email, a password that you want to have, and then confirm that. And you go ahead and create your account easily. Then you go ahead and check your email for your 6-digit code, and then you go ahead and verify your email. And then you'll be inside the 12 days of marketing magic. Let me show you what's inside. You can unwrap one AI-powered tool a day, and you have 24 hours to use it. When you see yours, you're going to see all of yours are going to be grayed out where it says come back tomorrow, and it's just going to let you see the blog post generator. So when you open it up, the very top, it's going to remind you each daily gift is available only for 24 hours, so don't forget to use it. And this is where you can create and publish a blog post that provides value for your audience. So you're just going to go ahead and put your topic in that you want to write about, who your target audience is, and what tone do you want, and then you just click here to generate. Down here are a few bonus tips. If you want to add some personal stories, end with a question to encourage comments. And you're also going to get a visual prompt so you can go ahead and put that inside of Gemini Nano Banana or Midjourney or whatever you like to use to create your visuals that go with the blog. So just to show this off a little bit, day 2 is where you do a hook, value, and call to action post. Day 3 is where you get to repurpose your content. Day 4 is a 3-part post generator. Day 5 is where you get to do poll or quiz prompts. Day 6 are your lead magnet ideas. Day 7 are for real script generator. Day 8 is when you get to refresh your bio on your social media. And day 9 is going to be your pain point content. And day 10 is myth busting carousels. And day 11 is building 7 days for your content calendar. And day 12 is your year-end story post. Let's have a little fun and open the lead magnet idea and see how it works. You get to brainstorm a freebie that your people actually want. So today's challenge, you go ahead and fill in your niche, what type of offer you want to sell, describe your ideal audience, and then you're going to generate it. So I went ahead and put in the health and wellness niche and a basic starter kit of essential oils as the offer I wanted to eventually sell. And I described my ideal audience as busy moms with toddlers. So let's go ahead and generate the post. So we've got 3 lead magnet ideas, and I like that it gives you a title, a hook, gives you a PDF guide here. This one's a checklist. This one's video training and what should be the contents, the offer connection, and some visual suggestions as well. And a little pro tip. So you can copy it over, you can bring it over into another document, and if you don't like it, go ahead and try a new version. So, simple little idea generator for you. And I like the bonus tips down here below. Start with the simplest format like a checklist or a PDF, something you can launch quickly. And create a landing page that highlights the transformation, not just the content. And to set up an automated welcome email sequence for anyone that subscribes. And just for you guys here below, if you have not joined the Amplify Your Business School community, it's where we help coaches and entrepreneurs simplify your content, amplify visibility, and attract dream clients all using AI. You can go ahead and click to join. It'll bring you right to the school community. Let's go ahead and try day 7. Create a script for Reels. And right at the top, reminding you have 24 hours to use it. Film and post an easy, quick reel today using the script as your guide. Let your personality shine through. So What do we want to talk about? I'm going to put top 3 energizing essential oils in the morning. And what action do you want the viewers to take after watching? I'm just going to say, follow me for more tips. And I like that they've got some bonus tips when you're filming, using captions, posting your reels to stories for more visibility. So here we go. We've got a hook, we've got delivery, we've got a CTA, the vibe, music suggestion, the on-screen text, some filming tips, and a thumbnail visual as well. I love that it gives you a lot of great ideas to get you all set to go. And if you don't like it, go ahead and try a new version. It's going to start all over again. You just click it again, generate your content if you want the same topic and the same CTA. It's just going to give you a different output. I like that. Are you tired of waking up groggy? Here are top 3 energizing essential oils for your mornings. And you just go to town and make your reel. We make it really simple and easy for you to generate multiple scripts. You have 24 hours, so make as many as you like to. This one's one of my favorites. It's the hook value CTA post. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in what are you offering, describe your ideal client, and what action do you want them to take afterwards. That's your CTA. It could be book a call, DM me ready, click the link in bio. And I like that it gives you a few different bonus tips as well, what to do with the image suggestion that it's going to give you, testing different hooks to see what resonates most with your audience and save your best performing posts as templates, and post when your audience is most active for maximum reach. All right, so I'm offering a basic kit of top 10 essential oils to get anyone started. My ideal client are busy moms of toddlers, and I want them to DM me when they're ready to get the link to the kit. Let's go ahead and generate the post. And here you've got your generated content, the hook. Hey, supermoms, did you know that power of essential oils can basically save your sanity? I love this hook. And then it gives you the value section and the CTA, and you get the full post here and a visual that you can simply copy, put it directly into Gemini Nano Banana, and you can copy the whole thing to your clipboard or try a new version. Make as many as you like. You've got 24 hours to use it. This one is a fun one. Day 5, your poll or quiz content prompt. Engage your audience through interaction. That's what we really want. So post at least one poll or quiz today. Interactive content boosts engagement and gives you valuable insight into what your audience really needs. So go ahead and throw out the pain point or challenge that your audience faces. And who is your audience? So for example, I just entered in a pain point or struggling with afternoon sluggishness. My audience are female moms working full-time jobs. And it's just doing a poll, a simple poll or a simple quiz. Like, what do you do to tackle afternoon sluggishness? Options: take a short walk, grab a coffee. You get some follow-up tips and visual suggestion. Same thing with the quiz. You've got your title here, your questions that you're going to ask, and some different result types and visual suggestions. And use the insights gathered from the polls to create content around strategies for your audience that work. Go ahead and copy it to clipboard or try a new version if you want to see what else you can get. You've got 24 hours to use it. I like the bonus tips that it gives you. You can share poll results in a follow-up post to boost engagement. You can use poll insights to create targeted content that your audience actually wants. You can screenshot and share interesting quiz results as social proof and turn common poll answers into full posts or offers. So it's a great way to get engagement into your social media. So there you have it, 12 days of marketing magic for the holidays. And you saw what's possible when you combine the right strategy with the right AI tools. But here's the thing, this app, once you get started, you have 12 days to use it. And yes, I built it that way on purpose because I want you to come on inside the Amplify Your Business community. This is a glimpse of what you get inside when you join the Amplify Your Business School community. Inside the community, you have access to tools just like this, AI-powered strategies that help attract your ideal clients while you sleep, and a community of coaches and solopreneurs just like you. This 12-day experience is my way of showing you what's actually possible. If you want more and you're ready to simplify and amplify your results, grab your 12 days now. The link is in the description and get started for the holidays. And when you're ready for the full system, I'm waiting inside. Now go make some magic happen. See you in the next video.